Many of these Kawasaki's are performance leaders in their classes, and they are being constantly refined through a process of engineering evolution. The newest model in the lineup is the Kawasaki Z1000. It represents a new high in the state-of-the-art of making performance motorcycles. The Kawasaki Z1000 is Kawasaki's expression of confidence in the future of high-performance motorcycles. It incorporates anti-pollution and low noise level systems and advanced engineering thinking to make it truly the superbike of the times. Kawasaki motorcycles are born here in the minds of research engineers and take shape on the drawing boards at Kawasaki Akashi Works in central Japan near Osaka. The styling department works these designs into realistic models, and designers give them the detail flourish which will make them successful sellers in many world markets. The Kawasaki Z1000 marks the beginning of a new generation of motorcycles. It has created a new category of super sports touring machine. Kawasaki motorcycle engines have been in production since 1953. The first complete machine was the 125cc B8, followed by the 250A1 Twin Samurai, the C2TR, the first real off-road machine in Japan, the W1 650 Twin, the F5, the Kawasaki 500 Mach 3 Model H1. It made Kawasaki famous. It's powered by a two-cycle, three-cylinder, air-cooled engine, the brainchild of Kawasaki's aeronautical engineers. The Kawasaki 750 Mach 4. This is how a Kawasaki 750 Mach 4 is made. Making a motorcycle takes a lot of effort and experience, and Kawasaki goes to great lengths to ensure all Kawasaki's are made as carefully and perfectly as possible. From the assembly of raw materials to their final finishing, from ensuring the quality of prefabricated parts to continual production line inspections, Kawasaki quality control is the most thorough in the industry. the end of the production line, and the beginning of another series of inspections and quality control tests. All Kawasaki's are roller tested and carefully checked out. Some are picked off the production line and track tested at high speed. It's not until the experienced factory riders, who are sensitive to everything from machine control, vibration, handling, comfort, to the correct operation of every switch and control, are fully satisfied that they finally give their okay. Some of the machines picked off the assembly line are put through prolonged testing on the road, compressing years of use into a few weeks to determine maintenance and service records. Other machines are rebuilt for further development. The 250 F11 is an example. It is being raced in major motocross events in Japan and Europe. This is all part of a never-ending development program to prove Kawasaki's in the toughest test bed of them all, international competition. This race is one of the series in the All-Japan Motocross Championship, one of the most grueling, toughest tests for man and machine ever devised. These tough development programs helped create the exclusive Hara forks. They are three-way adjustable units that can be set up to suit any kind of terrain. At the end of the production line, export models are partly dismantled and prepared for shipping. They are protected from damage as carefully as possible and sent to the nearby port of Kobe, where they are transported to nearly 90 countries. On their arrival at their destinations, dealers set them up to factory specifications. Kawasaki lightweights. These are the most popular of all Kawasaki models because they're the most affordable and the most fun. A lot of people think they're ideal for enjoying the country and just plain enjoying themselves. finding out what fun motorcycles are all about. To gain a firm foothold in international markets, Kawasaki Motors Corporation was established in 1966. It led in 1970 to the opening of Kawasaki Motors in Holland and to Kawasaki's office in Australia. But Kawasaki is more than motorcycles. It is parts and service and people all around the world. Kawasaki is continually streamlining its service systems to help speed parts delivery and upgrade service techniques. One way Kawasaki is improving dealer backup is by making videotapes to show dealer service personnel the factory-approved methods of maintenance and repair. In turn, this results in Kawasaki owners saving money and having their machines back on the road quickly.
Unchecked, it could overcharge the battery and burn out the lights.
Kawasaki distributors and dealers are also receiving parts more speedily through Kawasaki's computerized parts order system. Thousands of different parts are stocked in Akashi, and when distributors around the world request them, the order is processed in this completely automated warehouse. This unique computerized automatic parts retrieval system is Kawasaki's own design and an important breakthrough in mechanical handling techniques. It is one more step Kawasaki is making to ensure distributors, dealers, and owners of the best possible parts backup. The Kawasaki range of motorcycles is continually being refined and expanded, changing with the times by adopting new ideas. Anti-pollution controls, automatic chain oilers, solid-state CDI ignition systems, disc brakes are all part of the policy to offer the best possible product at the keenest price. But most of all, Kawasaki is concerned with building better, safer motorcycles that are reliable to operate and easy to maintain. Kawasaki never forgets the Kawasaki customer. After all, a happy Kawasaki owner, contented with his machine, with his dealer's service and availability of parts, will be a Kawasaki friend for life. That's what Kawasaki is aiming for.